Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about DealMachine, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of high equity properties in DealMachine? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of high equity properties in DealMachine anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a wholesaler, you know that going after properties that have no equity, depending on your strategy, could be a waste of time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your DealMachine account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my DealMachine, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of potential high equity properties, first you're going to go ahead and choose your farming area. So it could be a zip code, it could be a county, it could be a city. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just choose a zip code. So I'm going to choose this zip code right here. Okay, you can see that DealMachine says there's about 14,700 properties in that zip code. And the cool thing about DealMachine is they have a quick filter for this. If you're looking for high equity properties, you're going to click here, quick filter. And then you're going to go ahead and just scroll all the way down until you see high equity. Now, if you can't find it, don't worry, just click on search filters and just type in high and it should pop up. Okay, you can see that it filters down to about 8,900 properties. And then for me, I'm going to usually go ahead and filter this down more depending on what your search parameters are. So for example, I like to go after single family homes. So I'll click here on property type and I'll choose single family. Okay, you can see it drops it down to 5,400. And then also I'll usually click here on price. So if your target group is 200,000 to 600,000, there's no sense in getting a list of multi-million-dollar properties if it's outside of your target group. So I'll usually put 600,000, and then the minimum I'll put 200,000. Okay, you can see that drops it down to about 4,000 properties. And you can just continue filtering out until you get your ideal match for a property. So for me personally, I'll click here on more. Once you're here on more, I like to buy from private owners. So I'm going to click here and look for corporate owned, and I'm going to click on no and confirm. So 3,700. I also like to buy off market. So I'm going to click and I'm going to go down until I see the MLS information right here. And I'm going to click on market status, and I'm going to click off market and confirm. Okay, so we have a list of 3,700 properties. So again, you can continue adding more and more filters. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and close this out, and then you'll see your list of high equity properties here on the right. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a high equity list of properties in your DealMachine account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know a better way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.